What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I've got something that's absolutely huge for XRP, for cryptocurrency, and for XRP investors, people that believe in the longevity and the use of cryptocurrency. This is for you guys, right? Let's talk about XRP, the big news that we have. Also, look at where XRP is today and give you any more information that we can as we go along. So if you guys could, make sure you hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel for Twitter, for Patreon. You can check out those. Those are at the top of the description. And also, if you guys want to get started trading, if you're interested in trading, interested in leverage trading, as well as trading outright, or even just testing the market and demo trading, you can do that with the platform that I am partnered with, BTCC. If you specifically use my link, you will get a 10% deposit bonus, as well as extra bonuses up to $10,055. So if you like free money, feel free to check out this link down below. It's at the top of the description. You can also get 40% lower trading fees. So again, if you're interested in leverage trading up to a 500x leverage, or if you want to trade outright, just buy the position whenever you want, or if you want to demo trade, let's say you're not invested in the crypto market at all and you're like, you know what, I want to test the market, you can do that here without actually spending any of your own money. So feel free to check out the link down below. It's a great platform. Let's go ahead and get into this. So if you don't know, there have been plenty of rumors and articles about where XRP is going to go and how it's going to be adopted and whether people are going to believe in it or not. And I've had so much pushback saying the XRP ETF is never going to happen. The XRP or supporting XRP at a mass scale is just not going to happen. But you also had that support saying, look, XRP ETF is going to happen. And I 100% believe that we're going to see the XRP ETF be a huge impact to crypto, not only just XRP or Ripple, but crypto in general, right? So with today, we have some interesting news to where, we have NASDAQ that's pushing for the CoinShares ETF to be listed. Sorry, I just spit there. I don't know why. But we have it where the CoinShares XRP and Litecoin ETFs, they're pushing for that, to go live, right? Before we dive into that, let's look at where XRP is right now. So XRP currently stands at $2.43. So definitely not at its high point of $3.40 or so, and definitely not at the all-time high of $3.80. But still at a reasonable level compared to where it was at the 50-cent level. Absolutely, it's at a great level. We are sitting at a $140 billion market cap. It is currently fourth on the list by market cap. I guess Tether has passed it to get up to that third spot, but we are still seeing $5.5 billion worth of volume and still around the 58 billion coins that's in circulating supply. Over the last 7 days, it's up by 3%. Over the last month, it's up by 1.2%. We did see this get all the way up to that $3.40 level, but did collapse all the way down to about, it was less than $2. It was like $1.90. So it gave you your opportunity to buy in to see from $1.90 all the way up to $3.40 again, and a lot further and beyond, right? So it's great to see that movement, and over the last year, it's up 365%. So congratulations to all the people that have been invested for a long time, and also congratulations to the people that are invested for a couple of months, because you also saw some of the same returns, right? You didn't really have the amount of time to gather as much as some other people did, but you still saw some of the same returns, percentage wise. Now, I've been a huge advocate for ETFs, right? I'm a huge fan of ETFs. I more likely want to see ETFs that are all encompassing, meaning that you have a not only a Bitcoin ETF or Ethereum ETF, but you have a slightly higher rate of Bitcoin. Let's say it's 50%. And then you have 20% over here for Ethereum, and you have 10% for XRP and Litecoin and Solana and all of those things all within the same ETF, so that you can see the overall market create a little bit more consistency, just like you would in the stock market, right? But we have to kind of baby step. We have to crawl before we walk. And getting those ETFs that are, just for Bitcoin, just for Ethereum, and just for XRP is a big deal because it starts that thought process to adoption. And it allows these traditionalists to start investing into crypto without fully diving into the world of crypto, right? You're investing in Fidelity. You're not investing on Coinbase or on Kraken or using your wallet in order to transfer back and forth or buying on, Uniswap or whatever, right? You're not engulfed in that world. You are still in your own world, but you're investing into the things that a lot of other people love as well without fully understanding it. Now, this is what I wanted to talk about here. NASDAQ pushes for the CoinShares XRP and Litecoin ETFs. Will the SEC approve? So the SEC is making a bold move in the crypto space. The exchange has officially filed 19B-4 forms with the SEC to list two new CoinShare exchange-traded products. The CoinShares XRP ETF and CoinShares Litecoin ETF, if approved, these funds would give investors an easy way to gain exposure to XRP and Litecoin, two of the most well-known cryptocurrencies. With the SEC stance on crypto, ETFs still uncertain. Could this be the breakthrough that XRP and Litecoin need, or will it face the same fate others, as other rejected crypto ETF applications? A step closer to institutional adoption. This filing follows CoinShare's submission of S1 forms last month, requesting SEC to approval for its spot XRP and Litecoin ETFs. The 19B-4 filing, submitted on February 10th, is a key step towards institutional adoption of XRP, as it could open the door for more traditional investors. If approved, these ETFs could boost liquidity, attract new capital, and potentially drive a short-term price surge as traders anticipate higher market exposure. This move is part of a growing trend of crypto-based ETF proposals. However, it stands out because the SEC previously rejected Solana ETF filings, making it its decision on the XRP ETF highly anticipated. Will the SEC give the green light? An approval from the SEC would make XRP more accessible to investors, increasing both liquidity and market interest. I feel like they're just repeating themselves, just regurgitating the same thing. It seems like among the two filings, Litecoin ETF may have a better chance of approval. Unlike other crypto assets, Litecoin has no legal disputes. With the SEC, it is classified as a commodity by the CFTC. This could give it an advantage in regulatory approval. Some industry experts believe that Litecoin ETF could become the first spot crypto ETF approved in the Trump era. Now, it's very true, right? Where you have any type of legal battle, it's not going to be something that they're pushing for because you have uncertainty there. However, XRP itself is technically not involved within that battle. Yes and no, right? XRP has already been labeled as not a security, right? So we understand the kind of, where I look at it, innocent until proven guilty in a way, right? If you're saying they are a security in any type of legal battle after that, it's already been listed, it's already been documented that they have been, labeled as not a security. So it's definitely you can look at it both ways. I see, if we're looking at it, and saying how is this going to impact the market and how is it going to be good for the market? Again, XRP or ETFs and XRP ETF, a Bitcoin ETF, Ethereum ETF, all of those ETFs bring traditionalists into the market. People that are not really for signing up for Coinbase or Kraken or getting their own wallet, they're now starting to branch out and say, this is where I want to go, because it seems like a lot of the movement is going to happen there. And while they are ETFs, they're still going to be highly volatile because of the fact that they're just following that specific position. If it was all encompassing thing to where you're looking at a lot of cryptocurrencies or more consistent cryptocurrencies, then yes, you can say that you're investing into more of the broader market rather than investing into a specific position. But right now, you're still going to see that level of growth. So it's not letting people miss out. So those traditionalists that are like, I don't want to miss out on a 300% gain, when you see XRP that's up by 365%, they're going to see all of those same benefits in an XRP ETF as they would if they were just investing into XRP. Now, if it was all encompassing, you may see parts of that because it might only be a percentage of the overall position or the overall ETF. Meaning that if you're primarily seeing 5% over here and then XRP is only 5% of your portfolio, you're going to see more consistent growth rather than the 365%, if that makes sense. So this is huge for XRP because we have people that are behind us telling us, we're for it. We want this to happen. It's kind of like the Super Bowl yesterday where you have the the brotherly shove, right? You have people that are behind you that are pushing you forward, like, yeah, we're going to get this touchdown. We're going to score. And, you have everybody pushing the pile, which is honestly unstoppable. If anybody watched the Super Bowl, it's just unstoppable in any game that they've played. Soon they're probably going to ban that play, but that's neither here nor there. What we are talking about is the support that we're having from various institutions, financial institutions, market makers, whoever, right? We have all of this support and we just want to see it get to a point where we see the approval and we see the huge benefit that you see in XRP, not only in the price movement. I don't care about the short-term price movement. What I care is more about people getting the chance to own it that don't want to have a Coinbase account or Kraken or anything like that. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. I have my link for BTCC down below. If you guys want to sign up for that platform, you can trade up to a 500x leverage if you want to on XRP, as well as you can get a 40% lower trading fees and you can get 10% deposit bonus. So it's great. You're getting free money. Guys, I'm going to get out of here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.